So prime factorization, 80. I like to break that down as 8 and 10. 8 is 4 and 2. 10 is 2 and 5. Now 4 will break down even further, 2 and 2. This 2 won't break down, that 2 won't break down, and the 5 won't break down anymore. So I break these down until I get to all of these prime numbers. And when I do this, the prime factorization is I have 4 2's, so it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 4 2's, and a 5. And I put them in order from smallest to largest because we like to have them in that kind of an order. And this is how I do this every time. So when I come here to the 48, look at that, I'm going to do 12 times 4. 12 is 3 times 4. And this 4 here is 2 times 2. And this 4 is another 2 times 2. So I look here, I've got a 2, 2, 2, 2, and a 3. So this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Prime factorization. 126. Now, these other ones, I did 8 and 10 because that was easy. I did 12 and 4 because that was easy. Here, 126, I don't know anything other than I know it's even, so I'm going to do 2. And if I do that with 2, I know that that is going to be 63. Now, 63, 9 and 7. And then 9 is 3 and 3. So when I look at this, it's 2 times 2 3s, so times 3 times 3 times 7. All those prime factors. 294. Again, I don't know a lot here, but I'm going to do 2, and that's going to be 100 and now 94 divided by that is going to be 47, 147. Now 147, not super nice, but I'm looking at that. I'm checking my divisibility rules. 1 plus 4 plus 7 is 12. That tells me it's divisible by 3. So I'm going to take 147, I'm going to divide it by 3, and that's going to be 49. 49. And then 49, well, that one's not too bad. That's 7 and 7. So 2 times 3 times 7 times 7. This one a little bit trickier because, like, oh, I had to use my divisibility rules and then do a little bit of stuff. And I was thinking in my head, 147 divided by 3, well, that's 4, and that's 12. And so then I subtract, that was 2 and 27. And then I said, oh, that's 9, because that's what works. And I was able to do that in my head. You need to write something out, go ahead and write it out. It's okay to have to write out a little bit of work.